take a look at this problem. We got f of x is equal to x to the 1/4 plus x minus 2. And I want to find derivative. Well, if you have x to a power, then what you do is you take your power, put it out in front, so 1/4 x, and then you lower your power by 1, so 1/4 minus 1. Now the plus x here, there's an invisible 1 there, and whenever you have a number with an x, you just drop the x, so that becomes plus 1. And derivative of just a number is 0, so the negative 2, the derivative of it is 0. So that gives us 1/4 x, 1/4 minus 1 gives us negative 3/4 plus 1. We don't want any negative exponents, so we want to take that to the denominator. So this will be 1 over 4x to the positive 3/4. You take anything opposite of where it's at in a fraction, the sign of the exponent changes. So I take that x to negative 3/4 down to the denominator, it becomes x to the positive 3/4. And that's our answer. You could also get a single fraction if you wanted. This would be 1 over 4x to the 3/4 plus 1 over 1. If you're going to add or subtract fractions, they both should be fractions. Now our common denominator, since this one's 1, our common denominator will be 4x to the 3/4. So we're going to rewrite each fraction with that new denominator. Now the first fraction already has that, so we don't change it at all. Our second fraction, we multiplied the bottom part by 4x to the 3/4, we have to multiply the top part by 4x to the 3/4. Now they have the same denominator, so I'm going to merge together the top parts, which will give me 4x to the 3/4 plus 1 all over 4x to the 3/4. I don't care which answer you leave it in. You could do the first one found or the second one. Either one's correct.